Well, what I have here today is the motor out of an old Electrolux vacuum cleaner. And I was digging through my parts bin, I happened to find it. I had used it a long time ago. And this motor is truly one that it don't play. This motor will get going once you turn it on. So here it is turning on. I got it sitting in an old little lid just so it wouldn't fall over when it spun up. Yeah, it's a pretty powerful motor. It's almost like a hairdryer motor. Just not like that. Woo! But it is the main vacuum motor for the vacuum, which this was a smaller vacuum, so I guess that's all it needed. Now I'm going to tell you right now, that was running off of 9 volts. 9 volts. I kept trying to put it into the 12 volt wire on my power supply, and it kept cutting off like it was overloading or something. I was like, well, maybe it's something with the power supply, not the motor. And I kept tinkering. Well, then one day I decided to put the motor on the 6 volt rail, and it went fast. So it's hooked up to a 9 volt wall adapter. But I don't want to destroy this motor because I want to use it as a vacuum motor for something. I don't know what yet, but for something. So I'm just going to give it a tad bit of torture and just see what it can take. So first of all, I'm going to pour a little bit of water over the spinny thing and see what it does. Nice little mist there. It's not hesitating. Let me move the camera back real quick. It's been a bit wet. Alright, here's a better spot. Better move the electrical things out of the way. My Lord. Well, it can surely take a water beating, I'll say that much. Let's move on to something else. Let's see how it does with smoke and just a little bit of fire. It's down there behind the hay, as I can see in the camera, but it shouldn't affect it too much. And I might even use this motor for my next smoke machine if it holds up good. I'm not going to let it breathe in a lot of fire, but maybe just a little, just to see how good it can withstand it. Let's light the smoke material here. You know what, first thing, I'll just get that out of the way so you guys can see it. Well, still can't see it. Oh well. It's about right there. Apologize for the bad viewing angle, but whatever. Let's light the stuff. Let it flame up just a little bit. Surely going in on the motor. Plastic's not burning or anything though. Let's see if I can let it get to a point where it'll just do nothing but smoke. Alright, let's just do fire. Oh, there we go. Smoke. Whee. There goes the fire. Let's see here. There's the motor. Whee! Flames, explosions, fun. There goes the fire. Well, be dang. There's no burn marks or anything on the plastic at all. Check it out here. Oh, nope, I was wrong. It's got a little bit of burnage, but it's not like you can smell pine straw sap or anything on it. That's the smell I hate the most after something sucked in pine straw smoke. But, looks like it withstood it. Pretty good little motor, though. I like it. Still running at full speed. Now for the final test of the day. I have the motor suspended over some water here. I'm going to see what happens. First I'm going to run it at that height, I guess you could say. Look at that. It's like a little vortex in there. Like the water's actually spinning up like a reverse tornado. It's a pretty neat effect. Camera got wet there. Let's get it lower if we can. Oh crap. It's completely submerged now. Let's see what it does with that. Not bad. See what it does with more water. Alright, let's try it with this. Only that tiny little bit is sticking out of the top there. It's glugging. Kind of see a vacuum effect in the center of the plasticky thingy. What would you call that, a rotor? I mean, all it does is sucks in air and blows it out the edges, I mean. Let's see here. Now let's completely get the water over the motor. Alright, so now the motor's completely submerged. Let's see what it does now. And I got it standing up, so. Ooh, whirlpool. Let's get that little lid again and set the motor up on it so it won't fall, hopefully. Let's do that again. But it'll run completely submerged. If I can get the little heifer to stand up, it would do a whirlpool. Check that out. Let's see here. Check that out. Well, I'll be danged. This motor's basically indestructible. Let's get that water off of it. Look at that. The rotor's completely dry already, if the rotor's what you call it. Yep, this motor withstood some torture today, so I hope you liked it, and I'll see you guys later.